Hey there! Ever thought investing in rental properties was your ticket to financial freedom, only to worry about the risks that come with it? Maybe you've wondered how to keep those profits steady and avoid costly mistakes. From hidden expenses to tenant troubles, the pitfalls can be overwhelming. So, how do you ensure your rental property becomes a moneymaker and not a money drainer? Join us as we explore 7 essential tips to help you maximize profits, minimize risks, and make your real estate venture a success. Research the market thoroughly. Thorough market research is the foundation of a successful rental property investment. Investing without understanding your market is like starting a business without knowing your customers' needs. To succeed, you must become an expert in your chosen location. What's the average rent in the area? How stable is the local job market? Are there schools, public transport, or amenities that make the neighborhood attractive? These factors directly influence demand and the type of tenants you'll attract. Skipping this step is like flying blind, a surefire way to lose money. Once you grasp the basics, dive deeper. Look at trends in property values. Are they rising, stagnant, or declining? Understanding where a neighborhood is headed helps you decide whether to invest or move on. For instance, areas with upcoming developments like new schools or shopping centers often signal growth. Conversely, high vacancy rates or a declining job market could indicate trouble. Consider the type of tenants common in the area: families, young professionals, or students. Knowing your audience allows you to tailor your property to meet their needs, ensuring fewer vacancies and steady rental income. Technology simplifies this process immensely. Online platforms help you compare rents, track property trends, and even read tenant reviews within minutes. However, nothing beats first-hand experience. Visit the neighborhood, talk to local real estate agents, and get insights from landlords or tenants. This combination of digital tools and on-the-ground research equips you to identify the right property and set competitive rental rates. Thorough research isn't just a step, it's your safeguard against costly mistakes and your gateway to a profitable investment. Don't overlook it. It's the key to rental success. Screen tenants thoroughly. Screening tenants thoroughly is the key to safeguarding your rental property investment. Your tenants will live in and care for your property, so choosing the right ones is critical. Start with a background check to spot red flags, such as a history of evictions or criminal activity. This step isn't about being overly cautious, it's about protecting your property and ensuring it stays in good hands. Make sure to verify their income as well. A good rule of thumb is that tenants should earn at least 3 times the monthly rent. This ensures they can pay on time without financial strain. Next, check their credit score for signs of financial responsibility. A solid credit history often reflects a reliable tenant, while a pattern of missed payments could indicate future problems. But don't rely on credit alone, references are just as important. Reach out to previous landlords to learn if the tenant was reliable, caused any issues, or left the property in good condition. Also, verify their current employment to confirm income stability. These extra steps can help you avoid potential headaches down the line. Don't underestimate the value of an in-person or virtual interview. Meeting the tenant allows you to assess their personality, attitude, and willingness to follow rules. Are they respectful? Do they seem genuinely committed to maintaining the property? This meeting is also an opportunity to review lease terms and set expectations clearly, reducing misunderstandings later. Tenant screening may take time, but it's your best defense against late payments, property damage, or legal disputes. When you're thorough in your selection process, you're setting your rental property up for long-term success. Take the time to do it right. Your future self will thank you. Prioritize maintenance and repairs. Prioritizing maintenance and repairs is one of the smartest decisions you can make as a property owner. Your rental property is like a car. Without regular tune-ups, minor issues can turn into costly breakdowns. Routine maintenance not only keeps your tenants happy but also protects your investment from unnecessary wear and tear. Start with the essentials, such as regular checks on plumbing, HVAC systems, and electrical components. Even minor problems like a leaky faucet or drafty window can escalate into expensive repairs if left unaddressed. When it comes to tenant satisfaction, responsiveness is key. If tenants report an issue, act quickly. Whether it's a clogged drain or a broken appliance, showing that you care fosters trust and encourages tenants to respect your property. Seasonal check-ins for preventative maintenance are also a great strategy. Tasks like cleaning gutters in the fall or servicing the furnace before winter can prevent larger emergencies. Don't forget about exterior upkeep either. Neat landscaping, fresh paint, and clear pathways boost curb appeal, attract tenants, and maintain property value. Here's the bottom line. Staying on top of maintenance saves you money in the long run. Neglecting small issues can lead to much bigger, more expensive problems. For instance, a tiny roof leak can escalate into a costly water damage crisis if ignored. Fixing a small leak is far cheaper than replacing a rotting floorboard caused by water damage. Plus, a well-maintained property is more likely to attract tenants and retain current ones. Tenants are drawn to homes that are cared for, and happy tenants are more likely to renew their lease. Think of maintenance as an investment in your property's long-term success. It keeps your property in great shape, minimizes costly repairs, and ensures steady profits. Staying proactive about maintenance is one of the best ways to protect your investment and maximize your returns. Understand local laws and regulations. Understanding local laws and regulations is essential when managing rental properties. No one wants to face legal trouble simply because they overlook the rules. Every city, state, or country has unique regulations, from tenant rights to zoning laws, and ignoring these can lead to significant consequences. For example, do you know how much notice you need to give a tenant before entering the property, or the specific steps required for a legal eviction in your area? Staying informed shields you from fines, lawsuits, and reputational damage while establishing you as a trustworthy landlord. Leases and agreements are a prime area where this knowledge matters. A well-written lease is a landlord's best tool, but it must comply with local laws. Downloading a generic template online might seem convenient, but those aren't tailored to your region. For instance, some areas have strict rules about security deposits, such as limits on amounts and deadlines for returns. Others enforce rent control laws that cap annual rent increases. Consulting a legal professional or doing thorough research ensures your agreements are both fair and legally sound. Day-to-day property management also hinges on understanding local regulations. These laws often specify how quickly you must address repairs, handle tenant disputes, or send notices for lease renewals or terminations. Following these guidelines not only keeps you compliant but also builds positive tenant relationships. Tenants are more likely to respect and cooperate with a landlord who understands and respects their rights. Knowing the rules inside and out is invaluable. It keeps your business running smoothly, protects your investment, and fosters trust with your tenants. Staying informed about local laws is the foundation of a successful and stress-free rental business. Budget for unexpected expenses. Budgeting for unexpected expenses is one of the smartest moves you can make as a rental property owner. Surprises like a leaky roof, broken water heater, or pest problem can happen at any time, often when you least expect them. If you're not prepared, these costs can quickly derail your budget. Setting aside a cushion, typically 10 to 15% of your rental income, acts as a safety net and gives you peace of mind. It's not just about money, it's about staying stress-free and keeping your property running smoothly. Unexpected expenses don't stop at repairs. You also need to consider legal fees for tenant disputes, higher utility costs during extreme weather, or even vacancies that hurt your cash flow. A month or two without rent can seriously impact your finances if you're not ready. By creating a contingency fund, you're not only saving money but also avoiding sleepless nights. This fund allows you to handle emergencies quickly and professionally, helping you maintain positive tenant relationships. After all, no one wants to wait weeks for a repair because the landlord didn't budget for it. Your fund isn't just for emergencies, it's for opportunities too. For example, making small upgrades like replacing old fixtures or adding a smart thermostat can attract better tenants or justify a slight rent increase. Planning ahead lets you take advantage of these opportunities without worrying about your finances. Being a landlord isn't just about collecting rent, it's about running a business. Treat your budget like a professional, and you'll stay ahead of the game no matter what challenges come your way. Invest in quality property management. Investing in quality property management might be the best decision you make as a rental property owner. Think about it. Do you want to spend your weekends chasing late rent payments, handling emergency repairs, or managing tenant disputes? A good property management company takes all of that off your plate. They handle the day-to-day operations from tenant screening to maintenance scheduling so you can focus on growing your investment and enjoying your time. Their expertise can save you money by avoiding costly mistakes and keeping your property in top condition. When you hire a quality property manager, you're not just paying for convenience, you're buying peace of mind. These professionals know the rental market inside and out, with systems for rent collection, lease agreements, and even evictions. They also bring experience in setting competitive rental rates that maximize income while attracting good tenants. Plus, their network of trusted contractors ensures repairs and upgrades are handled efficiently and at fair prices. It's like having a dedicated team working to protect and enhance your investment. Some hesitate to invest in property management, viewing it as an added expense, but here's the truth. It's an investment in your success. Yes, there's a cost, but in return, you gain time, less stress, and often higher overall returns. A well-managed property attracts and retains quality tenants, minimizes maintenance issues, and ensures compliance with local laws. If you're serious about running a profitable, hassle-free rental business, a property management team is worth every penny. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and this is one decision that can pay for itself many times over. Maintain competitive rental pricing. Keeping your rental pricing competitive is one of the smartest strategies you can adopt as a landlord. Set your rates too high and you risk driving away potential tenants. Set them too low, and you're leaving money on the table. Striking the right balance starts with thorough research. Look at comparable properties in your area with similar sizes and amenities to determine what they're charging. This gives you a solid baseline to work from. Remember, savvy tenants will compare prices, and by aligning your rates with the market, you'll attract more interest and fill vacancies faster. Competitive pricing isn't just about matching the market, it's about offering value. Consider what makes your property stand out. Do you provide free parking, modern appliances, or a great location near schools and public transit? Highlight these features in your marketing and adjust your pricing to reflect them. At the same time, stay flexible and watch market trends. If demand spikes, a small rent increase might be justified, but if the market cools, consider incentives like a free month of rent or slightly lower pricing to remain competitive. Flexibility is crucial to staying ahead. Fair and competitive pricing has long-term benefits too. Tenants are more likely to stay when they feel they're getting good value, reducing turnovers and lowering costs for you. Satisfied tenants also tend to treat your property better and recommend it to others. Maintaining competitive rates doesn't just fill vacancies, it builds your reputation as a fair and reliable landlord. Don't set your pricing and forget it. Regularly review your strategy to keep up with market changes and tenant expectations. By staying proactive, you'll maximize your occupancy, grow your rental business, and enjoy the rewards of a well-priced property. And there you have it, 10 actionable tips to ensure your rental properties stay profitable while avoiding costly pitfalls. From researching your market to budgeting for surprises, each step helps safeguard your investment and sets you up for long-term success. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DwellScape. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more expert advice on all things real estate. Until next time, keep building your financial future, one property at a time.